Itulah hari kemerdekaan kita.
Hari merdeka,
Nusa dan bangsa.
hari lahirnya bangsa Indonesia.
Halo semuanya, jumpa lagi bersama Kak Tije di Dunia Kreasi bersama Kak Tije. Kebetulan hari ini Kak Tije ditemani ini dia Divina dan Sidney.
Hai.
Ya, sementara sebelum kita memulai acara ini, Kak Tije mau membuat stiker flag, mini flag. Kak Tije butuh, what is this?
Double T.
Double tip. And what is?
Stickers.
This is not sticker.
Flags.
Yes, yes. This is the like.
Oh my God,
This is a
nail.
What you use when you tie your hair with this
Hair tie.
ribbon
Ribbon.
to cut this same along with the flag. Very good. Done. Well done. Well done. Well done. Very good. Very good. Oh yes. Just like this.
Okay.
And this line, the up here line.
It's not too hard. This is so simple.
Simple. You're right. So just like this, I put down here.
Simple, but
And
you have to do it.
look at this, but be careful, the scissor is sharp. Okay, just like this.
Just cut. Cut. What?
Done.
Why like this?
Yes, of course, like this. Yeah. Okay, good. Now I got this one.
I can show to the camera.
This for you. Show it to the camera. Looks very nice. Good. Okay, please help. You need my help?
Sure.
Okay, good.
We must cut too small.
Okay, show it to your friend there.
Okay. Look. Hi. Hi friends, my name is Sidney and this is Tije Divina. Hari ini kita akan menghias sepeda dengan Kak Tije.
Okay.
Make sure like, give thumbs up to our channel so you don't miss up the bell.
Hi Divina, today Kak Tije want to decorate our Independence Day for our country.
Like we need a paper plate, 4 sheets of origami
With the red color.
with red color.
And don't forget this.
Don't forget the scissors.
Okay. I need number 1. Very easy. I just cut it like this. Very simple. And now I got the number 1 here. Yeah, in front there. Okay, very good. Good. Well done. Well done. Number 1. Now I need number 7.
No?
Yes, if you can't, you just use the pencil
To dye.
to draw it, but I think I not need that. Maybe I can help you a little bit like this. Number 7. Now, good. Look at this. A number 17. This one is 17. Now, I cut it like this. Very simple. Just like a number 3.
Very easy.
Easy busy lemon squeezy. Wait, I cut it a little bit more, just like this. Just like this. Okay.
Oh, so smart. Focus.
Thank
Use
you.
a knife like
Yes.
a cutter or something.
Yes, 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 yes.
Easy. 1, 2, and
Yes. Okay, stick it here.
and then you take the tissue.
This is number 8.
Only number 8.
And I have a number
17.
17. Okay.
You are number 55.
So I just cut like this.
Do you need a marker?
I think no. Done.
Look it. Look.
Okay.
Therefore,
And I just cut like this. I make a hole here to inside my scissor in like this.
And it's so easy.
Easy. Just put the number 4 here. This is very simple because number 5 is a line like this, and like go down like this, and this like a tummy, a big tummy. But I cut like this. After that, I cut to there like this.
I'm sorry, I did not like number 6, Mr. Tije.
It's okay. Okay.
It's very curly.
Yeah.
There you go.
So,
Now,
can you take the number 8, please?
okay.
Okay, put here. So this is our Independence Day's date. We need
We need a plastic bag, red and white, or maybe any colors you guys want.
I show you because this is a white color. So I cut from here until here, and from here until here. Okay, just like this. Hold. I'm coming. Oh, you pull it, pull. Okay. Okay.
Go quickly.
Now I got this. Yes, the white one. And okay.
Go quickly.
Now I got this. Yes, the white one. Okay, good. One more here.
Over here.
Okay, good. Good. I'm coming. You. And Divina, look. This is a red one, and this is the white one.
The axis.
Later.
Okay.
When I okay. Now look. This. Look at this. After that, I will cut.
The axis.
Yes, just like this. Now look at this. What is?
Indonesian flag.
Okay, can you help me to take the stick there? Oh, this stick is very nice. Looks
So
a very long one.
Long.
This stick is bamboo. You know bamboo?
It's longer than your body.
And
Can I help you with the
yes, of course. I put like this. Very good. Wow.
We want to decorate this body.
How?
We must stick these first.
This? What is this?
This is on the cardboard.
Mm-hmm.
With five.
Okay, I give you stick and you stick there. Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Oh yeah, by the